be wearing today. My friend will pick me up and we'll go shoot some people and we will get shot at. As you can tell, I had to wear ski goggles because of my glasses and poor eyesight problem. I got me a neck scarf because last time I got shot in the neck. Nice padded coat. I got my tactical vest. Some of my magazines are hanging out, but you know what? I don't care. I can easily fix that. But I'm going to take this all off when I get into the car because it's very uncomfortable. Sky, why aren't you wearing your padded armor? Well, it's going to be very freezing today. And there's a chance that it might rain. So this is what I'm going to have to be wearing. I was hoping that I could wear it because it looks cooler and I'm a lot camo with it on. I'm taking videos for my nephew Aaron. He's in the army right now. So I think he'll enjoy me getting shot at. There we go.
Hey, let's make a plan, boys. Who's gonna stay inside? You're staying inside.
What do you want to do?
That way.
Yeah, I don't want to go. I don't want to stay inside. Not supposed to shoot yourself. My legs don't feel like it.
Yeah, my legs are starting to cramp up right now, so.
I don't feel so good.
Do we want to hold down I don't want to lose the spawn, so I think, yeah, we should focus on observing. What about barbershop? We're at barbershop. Right there. Corner.
Oh, I'm not worried about that because we'll be at movie theater. They'll have to get past us to get to barbershop.
Well, I was saying, like, should we all be in theater or should we spread out?
Spread out. Just at least hold this down. This spawn's going to be crucial. Because we have two that we're fighting.
Yeah.
Ours is going to be easy because they're not fighting two fronts. We are.
Right.
We need someone to set up in USPS. Okay. I was thinking about setting up in Cinemark, just keeping an eye on this way.
Yeah.
We don't want to lose the spawn.
So, but if we had one of you guys up there keeping an eye this way, and then one of you guys on the other side keeping an eye outside the USPS.
True.
You want to do that? You guys want to do that?
I'm good.
Yeah. I mean, it's up high. We're a target up high.
Yeah.
I think that's our best bet.
One. Go! Oh, there's a chair. Should I go get the chair? Should I go get the chair?
20 minutes later.
Go ahead, move.
Five minutes later.
What do we got over here?
You want to get shot?
I said safe kill.
Safe kill?
Yeah, I was behind you.
Oh, all right. Inside, what's going on with that?
Double kill. Triple kill. Overkill. Extermination. Suicide.
Go, go.
Sniper spree.
Oh, run, 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 run. There we go.
Sharpshooter.
Yeah, that's it. Woo, okay.
Mike is in the back over here between the.
Stop for whoever's there. Yeah, I knew that was him. Alright, go, go, go. Yeah, I see him.
Busted.
Ah, foray.
Vengeance.
Woo, watch out, right? There's one right there, one right there. Oh, you got me. Ah. All right. What happened to that monster?
It's in me. So you got sitting on your ass all day at work.
Oh, that's true. Oh, what was that? Watch out, watch out! Referee, watch out!
I'm on your side! Sorry, my bad.
Check.
USPS should have.
Mike's got cinema in it.
What?
Cinema has Mike in it.
Ah,
I'm going back.
he was at USPS.
Well, I might as well tag along. Oh, nice one. That's not the game, is it? What happened? Oh, really? Already?
1 minute remaining. Gotcha, bitch.
Woo!
Game over.